Everyone in my community is just sending me messages saying Pi Network has been listed out on HUOBI Exchange and soon it will be listed out on XT Exchange. So many individuals also sent me a screenshot from CoinMarketCap saying Pi Network is trading at $30 per Pi as at the time of recording this video. It has come to my notice that thousands of individuals out there don't understand simple rules that govern a project. Now, before you raise your hopes high thinking that Pi Network has been listed out on several exchanges, this is what I want you to know. This is CoinMarketCap. As you all can see, Pi is trading at $31.75 as at the time of making this video. The price of Pi just went down. Now I want you guys to read. Pi has faced its fair share of controversy recently. Please note that mainnet is not launched yet, and the price displayed below for certain exchanges reflects the value of the IOUs, and it may not be transferable across exchanges. This note is to tell you that you cannot make deposits to purchase Pi or even send out Pi to other exchanges as well. Now the big question is, what is IOU? Let's find out. So when I clicked on it, it took me to this page. This is Binance Academy, as we all can see, and then you can see community submission. The author is anonymous. The author of this is anonymous. Now you might want to take note of this. Why is the author anonymous? Now, what is the meaning of IOU? You can see it here. The acronym IOU stands for I owe you, and it refers to an informal document that acknowledges a debt one party owes to another. The debt usually involves a monetary value but can also be related to other goods such as physical products or properties. Now I want you all to pay very close attention to this. In essence, IOUs are nothing more than casual notes that people create